Hey there. Meet your smart study partner, Robogebra AI Assistant. You can ask any question about the step you're studying. Just tap the question mark icon. You can ask questions using the AI Assistant, but if you don't know what to ask or how to ask, no worries. Robogebra gives you some questions related to the step you've selected. You can simply click one of them, and you'll get a response from our AI Assistant. If you find the answer helpful, you can save it. It'll be added right into your solution. So when you revisit the same problem later, you'll remember the question you asked and the AI's response that helped you understand it. And of course, you can always type your own question anytime. Our AI assistant is here to clear your doubts whenever you need. Sometimes we all wonder, how did we reach this next step? In that case, just tap the eye icon. It shows you the hidden steps in between, helping you see exactly how the solution flows.